When we as developers run code in the cloud, we often have to choose between the simplicity of serverless or the flexibility of virtual machines or containers.
With the launch of Cloud Run, you don't have to choose. You can get simplicity and flexibility. Hello and welcome to Get Started with Cloud Run. I'm Martin Omander.
And I'm Brett McGowan, and we're on the serverless team at Google Cloud. Let's have a look at how to deploy an app to Cloud Run. We are going to deploy a pre-packaged example app. To package your own app, see the second video in this series. Click Cloud Run in the menu on the left. Enable the Cloud Run API if prompted. Click Create Service, and the Create Service form will be displayed.
Enter the URL of the container in the first field of the form. Containers are just a packaging format, like zip files, but better. A container includes the code written by the developer, in this case, code that prints out Hello World. It also includes the runtime and any libraries needed by the source code, in this case, the Node.js runtime. The second field is the name of the service, and in the last field, you can set in which region you'd like the service to run. You can also set environment variables that can be read by your code. This is a good place to put values that aren't suitable for checking into source control because they're different between development and production environments.
When you click the Create button, the deployment will start. Once it finishes, you will see the URL you can use to run the service. Congratulations, you have just deployed a serverless containerized application.
Now that you know how to deploy an existing container, check out the other video in this series for how to package your own app for deployment.
Can't wait to see what you build on Cloud Run using your favorite language and libraries. See you next time.